Welcome to this tutorial on Remove-LocalUser, a PowerShell Cmdlet used for deleting user accounts from your Windows system. In this video, we'll explore how to permanently remove local user accounts, understand the syntax, and learn important considerations when working with this command. The Remove-LocalUser Cmdlet permanently removes local user accounts from the Windows system. When you execute this command, it deletes the specified user account completely. This is different from disabling an account, which we covered in previous videos. Once removed, the account cannot be recovered through PowerShell. The basic syntax for Remove-LocalUser is straightforward. You use the Cmdlet name followed by the name parameter. The command is Remove-LocalUser-name, then the username in quotes. For example, Remove-LocalUser-name username. This simple structure makes it easy to remove user accounts when you know their username. Let's look at a practical example. To remove a user account named John Doe, you would type Remove-LocalUser-name John Doe. When you execute this command, PowerShell will immediately delete the John Doe account from your local system. Remember, you need administrator privileges to run this command successfully. Sometimes you may need to remove a user by their Security Identifier, or SID, instead of their username. First, store the SID in a variable, like $SID equals S-1-5-21, followed by the unique numbers. Then use Remove-LocalUser-SID $SID. This method is useful when usernames are ambiguous or when working with automated scripts. You can remove multiple user accounts at once using a loop. First, create an array of usernames using the @ symbol, like $users equals @ with parentheses containing the usernames in quotes. Then use a for each loop to iterate through the array. For each user in $users, execute Remove-LocalUser-name $user. This approach is efficient when you need to delete several accounts simultaneously. Here's a critical warning you must understand. Deletion is permanent and cannot be undone. When you remove a user account, both the user data and the profile will be lost. Unlike disabling an account, there is no way to recover a deleted account through PowerShell. Always verify the username before executing the remove command and consider backing up important data first. Let's recap the key takeaways. First, Remove-LocalUser removes users by name or SID. Second, it requires administrator privileges to execute. Third, deletion is permanent, so always double-check before running the command. And fourth, you can remove multiple users using loops for efficient batch operations. Understanding these points will help you manage user accounts safely and effectively in your Windows environment.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.